There are many definitions of social structure, but I will define the concept which is suitable for our syllabic discourse. Yes, na? Right. So abhi we have studied, like institution, values and norms. Sociologist, early sociologist, समझ लो जरा, early sociologist conceptualized social structure consisting of institutions, values and norms for the purpose of observation, and understanding society, right, following the sequence of cause and effect means this concept of social structure propounded by early sociologists, those who tried to study society scientifically and systematically. Is it? Scientific study के लिए क्या चाहिए था? Observation of the facts. Natural sciences में क्या हो रहा था? Observation of facts. Is it? Biological science में like in biology, physiological researcher, they did observation of human body parts after dissection. Is it? Dissecting human body, they did observation and they found that different body parts, although independent but functionally interrelated, and this functional interrelatedness makes the organismic structure. Is it? ये जो हमारा human structure है, ये क्या किस चीज से बना हुआ है? Different parts. So early sociologists like Spencer Comte, influenced by or drawing inspiration from physiology, biology, conceptualized social structure. The way this body part is made up of, organismic structure or organismic system is made up of different parts. Similarly, society, social system is made up of different parts, and those parts: family, economy, polity, education, religion. Is it? And these parts conceptualized as social structure. These parts were conceptualized as social structure by early sociologists. अब एक पॉइंट और समझ लेना है. Social structure consists of what? Institutions, values and norms. So we have 5 primary institutions. Yeah? क्या? Family, religion, education. Yeah, education. Early sociologists, particularly functionalists, conceptualized society as a system. Right? A system which is made up of interrelatedness of different parts of society, बोले तो different structures of society. According to Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, these structures are not isolated. Be that family, polity, education, religion, rather interrelated. And this interrelatedness of structures, which is conceptualized as a system, makes society possible. Yes, na? You were born in family, educated in schools, college, today educated in this para-education system, coaching institution. Yes, na? Right. So interrelatedness or not? Family and education, school, college, yes or no? Right? And you are preparing for some occupation, isn't it? Where you will mobilize, resources, isn't it? For the self, for the family, as well as society. Yes or no? Government को टैक्स भी देंगे ना, आपको तो देना ही होगा. Right? So this is mobilizing resources and tax payments. Isn't it? Kisko? States. Isn't it? That is one duty. Yes or no? Right? So this is, family, educational institutions, right? Occupation, isn't it? Economic activities, and then states. Yes or no? All interrelated. Right? Delay in getting into final success, I mean, cracking this exam, delays, to stress and tensions, not only to the self but family also, isn't it? And stress and tension तो फिर निर्मल दरबार. हाँ, आजकल वो ट्रेंडिंग नहीं है, निर्मल दरबार नहीं, आजकल तो हाँ, right? Right? So, religion, when we are stressed, when we are in tension, isn't it? Personality is destabilized, and there comes religion. Isn't it? Getting your point or not? That provides hope. That provides hope, motivation. अच्छा होगा. Yes ना? Right. जैसे निर्मल दरबार का जो सॉल्यूशन होता था वो कैसा होता था? हाँ? समोसे खाना नहीं. Offer samosa to black dog, not with black dog. नहीं तो खतरा हो जाएगा. Right? So, समोसा ऑफर करना, कुछ ऐसा ऐसा इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशन देते वो. अब उसी में इनोवेशन लगता लोगों को कि हाँ, ऐसा तो किसी ने नहीं बताया. बाकी आज तक तो जो प्रिस्टली क्लास है वो बताता है कि ऑफर करो मंदिर को, ये तो कुछ नया बता दिए. यस ना? राइट. सो एनीवेज, orientation towards religion. Orientation towards religion. Families are oriented towards religion. Yes or no? Members of family, आप इधर प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, फैमिली कांवर लेकर जा रहा है कि मेरे बच्चे का सिलेक्शन हो जाए. Yes or no? Right. So this is all structures are related. Interrelatedness of structures makes system called social system. और यहीं पे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि early sociologists like Herbert Spencer, he did organic analogy. Organic analogy, isn't it? Like he established, analogy between society and organismic system, human body, and argued that the way different parts of human body, although independent but functionally interrelated, similarly different parts of society like family, economy, polity, these structures, although independent but functionally interrelated. Yes ना? जैसे आप देखो कि इकोनॉमी, इन्फ्लेशन किसका पार्ट है? इकोनॉमी. इन्फ्लेशन कंट्रोल पॉलिसीज किसका पार्ट है? पॉलिटी. एंड इन्फ्लेशन का इंपैक्ट फैमिली. व्हेन इट increases, families has to take decision to spend money on education, तो फिर वहां पे preference given to son. Yes or no? Patriarchy, son. Isn't it? Right. So this way, all these structures, institutions are interrelated. Interrelatedness, some sort of interrelatedness is there. Yes or no? Right.